What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's staying positive and definitely staying productive. Last video, I talked about how to get lean for summer. And on this one, I want to speak to you guys about how to stay fit during the summer. And this is for the people that have worked hard for months or years to be able to have a good routine when they're in their home base with their exercise and with their food, and how to be able to keep that. Because for a lot of people I see, once they take that summer break, that Christmas break, the Easter break, Ramadan break, whatever it is, they fall off track for weeks, sometimes even a month or two before they get back on track, and they really lose all their progress. So some simple things will help you stay in the game and help you keep your results. Now, for some people, if you're a really avid weightlifter slash bodybuilder slash fitness enthusiast, whether you're doing CrossFit or heavy compound lifts, it's going to be a little bit difficult to keep up on that if you're traveling for a long time. All right, a week or so, 10 days, not a problem. You just follow these same directions. All right, but if you're traveling for like a month or two, like some of us do, you're going to have to be a little bit diligent. You guys need to find a facility that can produce for you the stuff that you need, those heavy weights, some of those machines, those barbells. But you can still hit failure with the body weight stuff and one of the pieces of equipment that I'm going to promote to you guys to use. So when you're traveling on holiday, obviously for me, I tell most people, don't go to a gym. Don't go to a gym. Don't sign your credit card. Don't buy memberships. Don't waste time away from your girl, from your guy, from your kids, from your family. Just build a simple routine that's going to help you enjoy the holiday, enjoy the food, and keep up with your maintenance and keep up with your habits. So this is a generic sort of protocol that I adjust for all the people that I mentor, but the basis is there. Now, what I tell people is whether you're going away for 10 days, 20 days, 30 days, is to do some sort of a resistance training every other day, okay? Plan to do an exercise program every other day. Now, on those days, plan out to have the bigger days of food, the restaurants that you want to hit. If you have to meet friends or family for drinks or cocktails or do a big brunch, or you're going to go out on the boat midday to have some champagne, have some sweets, desserts, cheeses, and meats, those are the days that you want to train. So I advocate, tell people to wake up in the morning time so you don't mess up anybody else's part of the vacation. If you're by yourself, you can do whatever you want. You can go to the best gym in town, put your best outfit on, put your fake lashes on, put your best Jordans on if you're a dude, video yourself and enjoy it and have a fun experience. But this is for the people living in a realistic life, okay? Wake up in the morning time as early as you can, all right? Have a strong coffee, get some caffeine in you, and do a resistance program, all right? That means that you don't leave the property or the house. If you want to be quiet, not to wake anybody else, go into another room or go outside, and you're going to do the exercises that I say now. You build the program up to train every other day and hit different muscle groups. So you can have two basic ones and do legs, upper body, legs, upper body. So every other day, you're going to do legs, then you're going to do upper body 2 days later, then you're going to do legs 2 days later, then upper body 2 days later. And there's a million exercises you can do with your own body weight. You can do close grip push-ups, wide push-ups. You can do shoulder presses using all four of your limbs bent down, or if you're strong enough, upside down push-ups, headstands against a wall. You can do dips off of steps, off of a couch, off of a bench, off of a chair. Outside, you can do lunges, reverse and forward. You can change the stance and work on quads and hamstrings. So you can have two separate legs days during the week. Single-legged hip thrusts, both leg hip thrusts, glute bridges off of the floor. You can bring a suspension trainer with you. All right, that's what I tell everybody to do. Is get a suspension trainer. It doesn't have to be the expensive TRX. You can get copies made from China on Amazon and bring that small bag with the suspension trainer with you and do rows. You can do face pulls, you can do reverse shoulders, you can do chest presses, you can do flies, you can do various versions of bicep curls, tricep extensions, dips, you can do abs, pistol squats, reverse lunges, you can do ab work, you can do so much stuff with this. And just pick 5, 6 exercises Do them in a row as a circuit, or pick 5 exercises and hit them to failure for 4 sets each. All right, 4 sets each, back to back, and you'll be done a workout in 17 to 30 minutes, depending on how much time you have. That's going to keep the stimulus in the muscles that you've worked on all those months and all those years. It's going to keep those storage lockers, as we say, for glycogen. Muscle is the biggest storage locker for glycogen. So if you like to have carbs, you like to eat food, you want to have some muscle on you, because that's what's going to absorb and burn the carbohydrates first before it goes into being stored as body fat. So if you do this every other day and keep some sort of a stressful stimulus to your muscles, okay, to your arms, to your back, to your shoulders, to your legs, your chest, you're going to be able to keep your results. You're going to stay lean, you're going to stay full, you're going to stay hard, you're going to stay looking good, and you're going to stay balanced out with your food, and you're going to stay balanced with your program. And you're still going to enjoy the whole trip. You didn't take time away from anybody. You didn't leave your family or your girl or your guy if they're not so into fitness as you are. Because honestly, you don't want to alienate people. And it's a good thing, because me doing this over the decades that I've done this, because I travel a lot throughout the year. Me and my wife have multiple homes on multiple continents. So we stay fit, but people see that it's not like a gym rat lifestyle. Like, we can be in our villa, we can be in our hotel, we can be on our house on the island, we can be on vacation in another country. And real quick, we do a workout in the morning time for 20, 25, 30 minutes. We meet everybody at breakfast. We enjoy our breakfast. We enjoy our day. Suntan, walk, go see the tourist destination, go to the museum, meet up with everybody else, go to the event. And it's a complete balance. But this, with the consistency throughout the year of your travel, vacations, and holidays, is what keeps us lean, keeps us healthy, and keeps us fit. So if you do this while you're traveling on vacation this summer and build this up into a habit and keep continuing with it, you're going to do phenomenal. So if you need help with that and you want to work out, I have a 4-day, I call it my hotel room workout. All right. It's just body weight. You don't need a piece of equipment. You don't need anything. All you need is yourself and a room. I have a 4-day program that I'll send out to you. Just shoot me a DM or shoot me an email, and you've got 4 workouts to do. So if you're traveling for 8 days, you've got a workout to do every other day. If you're traveling for 4 weeks, you've got a workout to do for 4 weeks. All you got to do is 1 workout every other day. Now, in between all of this, obviously, you want to make sure that you're staying hydrated. You're trying to hit your protein targets. You want to have your fun meals, like we said, on the days that you train. That'll be your higher days. Stay active, take some walks, do some swimming, cycle, have fun, go sightseeing, go check out the shops, get your steps in there. And maybe you'll put on a pound or 2 on your holiday, but you're not going to put on 10. You know, when people come back to me at the end of summer or after a vacation, even a short one in the winter season, and they're like, "Coach, I gained 4 kgs at 10 pounds. 10 pounds, how? How did you gain 10 pounds? 10 pounds is one of these weights over here. Like, how did you gain 10 pounds in 10 days? You didn't sort of slip. You just let yourself fucking go." So, I mean, that's a lot of weight. There's guys out there taking steroids for 2 years to be able to put on 10 pounds of muscle on stage. You know what I mean? Like, so just be smart about it. It's very simple to do this, and you will not lose your results. I hope this can bring you guys some value. And if you have any questions, shoot me a DM, shoot me an email. All my information is in the bio. Make sure to check out my app. It's live. There's dozens of people on it, and the experience is amazing. The feedback is phenomenal. Everybody loves it. They've got everything on there. They've got everything needed for the day. Their tracking systems, their tasks, reminders, a calendar system, accountability with me, all their workouts, all their food, all their snacks, all their sweets, all their treats, community that's there to support you. They're part of a private page that gets information and videos from me every single day on social media. And it's a win-win situation. You get everything that you want: a personal trainer, a nutritionist, a mindset coach, a support system, and a community with you 24/7, and it only costs a coffee a day. It's the best investment to help you succeed, overcome your obstacles, create a new version of yourself, create a new life, to be able to apply the same tactics and the same traits into any other endeavor and succeed and flourish in every single piece of the pie in your life. So stay true to yourself, stay good to yourself, let nothing and nobody get in the way of the life that you want to live. See you guys next time.